In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change clothes using AI Nano Banana. We'll take a regular photo and use Google's Gemini image tool to swap the outfit convincingly, while keeping the person's pose, proportions, and lighting intact. It's quick, fun, and perfect for testing different styles without touching a sewing machine. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. In the results, click the official Google Gemini website. This brings you into the Gemini app, where we'll do the outfit change. Once you're in Gemini, look for the Create Image button and click it. This is the control that activates Nano Banana, the image generation feature we'll be using. Give the page a moment to load the image workspace. Next, click the plus sign to upload your reference image. Choose a clear, well-lit photo of the person whose outfit you want to change. For best results, use an image where the clothing is visible from shoulders to at least mid-torso, or full body if you want a head-to-toe change. Good lighting and higher resolution make the textures and shadows look more realistic. Now it's time to craft your prompt. You can use this exact wording to get a polished, professional result. Replace the outfit with a tailored, high-end business suit. Preserve the person's exact pose, body proportions, and lighting. Add realistic suit textures, slight fabric wrinkles, and natural shadows. This prompt tells the model to keep everything about the person the same and only change the clothing, while paying attention to fine details that make the result believable. If you'd like a different style, swap out the clothing description. For example, a casual denim jacket with a white tee, or an elegant evening dress in deep navy. But keep the instructions about preserving pose, proportions, and lighting. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. The model will process your image and generate the new outfit. This can take a few moments. If the first result isn't quite right, try refining your wording with specifics like color, fabric type, fit, or accessories, and submit again. Small tweaks often make a big difference. And that's it. You've used Google Gemini's Create Image tool to activate Nano Banana, uploaded your reference photo, guided the model with a clear prompt, and generated a realistic outfit swap. Remember to use images you have the right to edit and share, and keep your prompts focused, descriptive, and consistent. Enjoy exploring different looks with just a few clicks.